My name is Emma Schnick, and today I'm going to talk about StudyBlue. StudyBlue is a website that allows students, educators, and others to create virtual stacks of flashcards for personal and public use. Accounts are free and can be set up using Facebook, Google, or email. Once you're signed in, there are a number of tabs on the side of the page. The first is the Recently Studied tab. Here you can find groups of cards you recently looked at, as well as materials that are related to what you recently studied. The next tab is Search. Here you can search for certain topics, classes, or people, or look at popular searches. Once you enter search, your results will show. So for example, I'll click on biology at popular search. You can filter your search. You can look for specific locations or specific type, or even look for custom textbooks or authors of the flashcards. The next tab listed is Make Cards. Here you can create your own stack of cards, writing first a question or topic. So for example, I'll write 2 + 2, and then you write your answer in the definition box below. In these cards, you can insert equations, pressing the Add Equation button, and a math keyboard will appear. You can also insert audio, or you can add an image. Audio would be very beneficial for things such as a language class, where you might want to have students hear the word out loud and then interpret it. You can add cards by pressing the Add Card button, and then you can delete them simply by clicking the X on the side. On the side column here, you can see matching cards that you can add to your own deck. When you're finished with your deck, you can click Save and Exit. And you can title your deck and then also put it in a location where you can put it in a class or interest already made, or create a new one. At Privacy Settings, you can choose to make your deck public or private. So, such as public, everyone can see and study it, or public and anonymous, meaning your name won't be on the flashcard group. You can make it private, which means only you can use it, or password required, which means only anyone with a password could see and use it. This could be helpful for a class if you only want your class to have access to the flashcards. The next tab is Upload Notes. At Upload Notes, you can upload any documents as study materials to be backed up to a location, or you can add a class. Then choose a file to upload. So for example, I'll choose Bio, and then I just simply click Choose File, and I can upload any ones that's saved to my computer currently. In your backpack, you have your deck drafts as well as your created classes and interests. Here you can click on a deck and they will give you a few study options. The first is flip cards. When you click, you'll be able to choose a number of preferences, such as how many questions you want to be asked, the order in which they go, and also if you want the front side or back side first, so if you want the answer or the question. When you're ready, you click Study Now, and it will open to a screen. The circular button in the middle is what flips the cards back and forth, and the red and green thumbs let you mark them wrong or right so that you remember and use it for studying in the future. You can go through the cards by using the up or down arrows on your keyboard. When done, click Finish Studying, and it will give you results on how you did on your quiz. Take Quiz is similar as far as preferences, although it's in a little different format when you are taking the quiz. You click on your answers, and then click Grade My Quiz to get your result. Then click I'm done. You can share your flashcards personally with your students by using the Facebook, Twitter, or email applications at the top over here. Also in Backpack, you can join a specific class by choosing a school and creating a class and adding instructors, or add an interest simply by typing in